Welcome to TechLibri. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating topics in the world of technology, China's rise as a global tech leader. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, China is making incredible progress, shaping the future of innovation. How did this happen, and what can we learn from it? Let's explore the rise of China in technology. Over the past few decades, China has transformed itself from a manufacturing hub into a technology powerhouse. It is now home to some of the world's largest tech companies like Huawei, Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance. These companies are not just following trends, they are setting them. China's commitment to research, development, and large-scale investments in emerging technologies has made it a serious competitor to the United States and Europe. Innovation in artificial intelligence. China is leading in artificial intelligence, AI, with a clear strategy to dominate the industry by 2030. AI is now deeply integrated into daily life in China, from smart cities powered by facial recognition to advanced healthcare solutions that diagnose diseases faster than human doctors. The Chinese government has invested billions of dollars into AI research, and companies like Baidu, Tencent, and Alibaba are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. 5G and telecommunications. When it comes to 5G, China is ahead of the game. Companies like Huawei and ZTE have played a crucial role in deploying 5G networks not just in China, but across the world. Faster internet speeds and low latency are enabling new technologies such as autonomous vehicles, smart factories, and even remote surgeries. This rapid expansion is positioning China as the leader in the next generation of connectivity, electric vehicles, and green tech. China is also taking the lead in electric vehicles, EVs. With companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng, China produces and sells more EVs than any other country. The government has set ambitious targets for reducing carbon emissions and is heavily investing in renewable energy and battery technology. This push towards sustainability is making China the global center for green technology, quantum computing, and space exploration. Beyond AI and 5G, China is also making breakthroughs in quantum computing. In 2020, Chinese researchers developed Jiuzhong, a quantum computer that performed calculations far beyond the reach of traditional supercomputers. Additionally, China is making significant progress in space exploration, launching the Tiangong space station and planning future Moon and Mars missions. What can we learn? China's rise in technology is driven by strategic government policies, heavy investment in research and development, and a culture of innovation. For other countries and individuals, this serves as a lesson. Success in tech requires vision, dedication, and bold decision-making. China's leadership in technology is shaping the future, and the world is watching. Whether it's AI, 5G, green tech, or quantum computing, China is proving that innovation knows no limits. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechLibri for more tech explainers. See you in the next video.